Bulk carrier America 13. Now that there is an expansion of 70% energy from USA to Europe, with these macroeconomic constraints today, and also a cheap dollar, let's point it out, because if dollar was very expensive, perhaps it would be the other way. We would be selling energy. Well, in Europe, we have nothing. Yes, leaders talking a lot, and now in August they get holidays and we have to pay for them. But meanwhile, if you are a ship owner with a bulk carrier, now thinking about America's expansion, thinking about what flag, because now Panama has limited 15 years age for new ships, and if you're thinking of what should I do whilst my ship is going to trade in America, why? Because if energy grew 70%, well, the rest are going to follow, and dry cargo bulk carriers will follow. Therefore, now that we have America 70% richer, will import 70% more coffee, sugar, whatever it's required, and therefore bulk carriers calling America, contact Candina, because you don't need to go to Asia or to anywhere else to get the crew. You can get local American crew for American people. Well, isn't that a nice idea? ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparent, and perhaps we can grow the maritime schools in Mexico times 10, in Peru, Panama, Venezuela, why not Cuba, Honduras, El Salvador, Guatemala, and so on. Therefore, please think about being responsible, have good governance, social investment in your people, American people, because the ships are going to trade 70% more around America. Simple. Thank you. Bye.